I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you some clothes I thrifted from one of our YouTubers called Rhoda Wayua. She sells thrifted clothes. You should check out her page. It's called Wayua Designs. I'm going to link the page on the description box below. She sells so good clothes. They're very comfortable, classy, elegant, summer sexy, so you should not miss this out. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do a washing machine review. And I guess I'm going to start with the washing machine review. So let's get started with that before we go to the clothes that I thrifted, because that's the best part of this video. This is an LG washing machine and it has a cover, as you can see, and the cover has a zip lock. So the cover helps to protect the machine from dust, among other things. So that's one advantage of buying this machine. So I'm just going to open it up and show you how it's used.
How I want it to be, won't stop till I see what I want to see.
I'll start by switching on the main socket, and then next I'm going to switch on the washing machine. It has a power button that you have to press, and then we have the steam cycle parts. That is, it includes the cotton plus, mixed fabric, easy care, the silent wash, the baby wash, and then on the other side we have this big button that you can switch to whichever, depending on the type of clothes that you're washing. We have the wool, sportswear, quick 30, the duvets, the tab clean if you want to clean the tab. That is the washing machine tab, the download cycle as well. And then on this other side we have the temperature side, the spin side. So I'm just going to press the temperature. I prefer using 20 degrees. As you can see, you can also connect this machine to Wi-Fi, and it has a child lock. That is the best part. The other thing I love about this machine, it saves a lot of water compared to any other method of washing, be it another machine or washing with your hands. And you see there's a Wi-Fi setting over there. You can connect it to your phone via the Wi-Fi and operate it using your phone. Now the next thing, I'm going to show you where you can put the the detergents. So there's this part that you can put the detergent and also the softener. It's also a removable part that you can remove if you wish to wash it. This is a 10.5 kg washing machine. I have some laundry that I need to do, so I'm just going to show you how to use the washing machine as I do my laundry. And my laundry is a mixed fabric, so I'll use the setting for the mixed fabric.
Until I discover
First, I'm going to put the clothes into the washing machine, and then the next thing, I'm going to put the detergent in the detergent section, and also the softener before I start the machine wash, that is the steam cycle. I'm sorry that my camera here isn't at a good angle for you to see what I'm actually doing, but I hope you're getting it at this point. And also something to note, the machine has a pipe at the back that you can connect to the taps. So I use the gentle detergent powder and the purple downy, though I don't like the purple downy. I think I prefer the brown one. That's much better. So I'm going to set my steam cycle to the mixed fabric, because my clothes are mixed fabric, and then I'm going to put my temperature at 20 degrees and the spin cycle at 400, and then I'm going to press the play button or start button if you wish to call it that way. So here the machine is going to take time to detect how long the clothes need to be washed, depending on the type of clothes that you've put in there and the size as well. So as you can see, the machine is it has a default setting for the clothes that you put in there and the steam cycle. So you're going to see how much time this is going to be. There you go. As you can see, it says 1 hour 6 minutes for this cycle to be done. Yeah, so you can see the wash part is blinking. So when it's rinsing also, the rinsing part will blink, and when it's spinning as well, it's also going to blink. Now I'll leave the clothes to wash, and that's it. So I'll just hang them when they're done. Hi guys, so these are thrifted clothes from Wayua Designs. That's a page on Instagram. They're thrifted clothes from one of our YouTubers. I think you all know her, Rhoda Wayua. She also has an IG page called Wayua Designs. So I bought this from her, and she has really good taste, as you can see. So what I love about this dress is it has buttons from the top to the bottom. It has pockets, and it's so comfortable. The animal print is also a plus for me. So if you want to get nice thrifted clothes, classy, sexy, comfortable ones, I'll link the page of Wayua Designs in the description box below. She posts every week, once a week, and you won't want to miss it. I'm always camping there to get the clothes every week. So I'm going to show you more of this.
To get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that. Don't happen fast. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, pay my life.
One thing I love about this sweater dress is that I can also put it on as a sweater. It's like a two-in-one purpose function. Yeah, so this was the sweater top I had, the sweater top I had before, so I can also wear it as a sweater, and it still comes out well as a sweater.